this Fort Metal and Wood showed you the bottom half in part 1. This is part 2, the top half. So show you this one. I'm gonna hand it over to Noah.
Alright, this is the top half. The floor is the top, is the ceiling of the bottom half. And the roof, we built the structure of the roof on the ground, and then just brought it up and just nailed it onto the frame of this. And then you got little cracks to shoot out of. And we used a pallet for this wall and shove stuff in between it. And that's about it.